Okay, whoever made this route made my worst nightmare. How did I not fall there?
It has been programmed, this forest to...
Gotta say, the Polish TET is getting better and better the further up north I'm getting. Still on the route. Still on the bike. Gotta say, this is working out. Wow, what a lovely road. Whoa. This route keeps on giving. Adam, when you're watching this, feel free to put out a new video on how to do sand. Speed is not enough. I mean, some people need more. Whoa, 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 whoa. See? What the hell? Wow, this is a fucking workout. This is beautiful. Wow, this is like, it's sandy enough for my level, so I can play around a bit, but it's not too bad, and it's bumpy and twisty, and wow, very cool. Oh, more sand on my level. Hey! Cześć! Jak tam?
Mocno droga po piasku?
English, please!
Proszę?
English!
It's many sand?
Many sand!
My navigation say back, please back!
Welcome. Yeah, so that sand really made me tired, so I had to take a break. And I checked the map and I saw, I'm like, I'm getting close to the longitude, latitude, whatever is up and down, to Berlin. So if I just go west, I could go to Berlin. I could find a hotel room, find a bar. I've never been to Berlin. Then I remembered I'm doing the TET. I can't just go relax. Well, I can, but I can't. I'm a YouTuber first. to go slow. So glad I decided on doing TET in April so that the temperature would be nice. Pretty sure my Danish friends misunderstood where I said I was going. I really don't feel like I'm missing out on any sand. I'm gonna be better at plugging comments. Do you think it's sand I'm riding now? Write in the comments. Whoa. Whoa, do you think it's a field on the right? Write in the comments. The tracks in the sand they affect a lot. You can't tell me what to do, stop sign. Actually, I will. Amazing roads. I mean, wow, that one did not feel that good. Gotta say though, I love UT7. Can't imagine how this trip would go if I didn't have the spirit of Pool Tyres in with me. Oh, this is new. Wow, this road is awesome. I wish I was less tired so I could really appreciate it. That's okay. Somehow the body reactivates. So I'm really tired and I want to go to sleep. But then it realizes it's got more work to do, and then bam. Not sure I would say that I could do it all day, but this is the not that bad sand. It's very nice. The feeling just sliding back and forth is mesmerizing in a way. So this road too did a thing. How do you even build stuff like that? Okay. Still no trains. Okay, I checked so many times now. There's never been a train. I think I'm gonna stop checking. Whoever built this road hates vehicles. So they made this road to destroy anyone who's stupid enough to try to drive here. And of course, more sand in the 29 degrees we have here in April, Poland. Look. I'm starting to think I actually found the road that leads to Rome.